Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Okay, now quick review and testing tayo ng order ni Boss Julius Ibanez of Cebu. Okay, shout out sa inyo Boss Julius Ibanez, KPO6 KG Works. Ano? Yung order ni Boss. Ayan. This is the KPO6 manual and the KG Works catalog. Okay, out of the box. So, ito yung model ni Boss Julius. Yan. Yan. KPO6. Okay, ang order ni Boss Julius ng Cebu. Thank you, Boss. So, by the way, si Boss ay nag-order sa amin through Lazada. Okay, Lazada. If you want to avail, guys, okay, search nyo lang 5th generation hobby shop sa Lazada. Okay, this is our KG Works. Ayan, napakaganda niya. Wow. Ganda ng unit mo, bossing. Boss Julius. Ganda ng unit mo, boss, oh. Fiber optic sight. Ayan, fiber optic sight. Front and rear. Ayan, naka-fiber optic sight. Ganda ng grip. Naka-magwell. Magazine is also metal. Ayan, haba ng kanyang accessory rail. For flashlight, lasers, if you want to install, then tingnan mo yung kanyang thread sa barrel. Ang ganda, oh. Tingnan natin yung kanyang barrel, oh. Oh, ganda ng kanyang barrel. And then yung nozzle niya, red na siya, oh. Okay, so napakaganda ng KG Works. Made in Taiwan. Ayan, boss. Ambidextrous manual safety. Okay. So, check natin yung manual safety, ambidextrous yan. Okay, working. Baba natin. Safety off. Yan. Okay, now, check natin yung beaver tail. If working. Okay, working din. Once engaged. Yan. So, kapag, eto bossing, sa mga totoong baril kasi, meron din ganito, yung beaver tail. So, kapag ito hindi engage or hindi naka-press, kahit kalabitin mo siya, pansin mo yung hammer hindi pumapalo. Ayan. Pero pag yan diniinan ko, pumapalo siya, diba? Kahit anong kalabit ko niya, hindi siya pumapalo kasi hindi engage yung beaver tail. Automatic kasi, boss, pag ginawa ka nyo, yan, mape-press yan, and then that's the time na pwede siyang pumalo. Ayan. So, yung KG Works. Wow, napakaganda ng KG Works. Ang unit, oh. Wow. KG Works KPO6 kay Boss Julius Ibanez na Cebu. Thank you, boss, sa tiwala, no? And then, meron siyang kasamang, syempre, yung kanyang BBs out of the box, yan. KG Works 6mm. And then, if you avail to us, so kung kayo guys ay mag-order sa amin, no, meron na siyang free na 0.23 grams 4,000 shots. And meron na rin siyang free na gas. Ayan, green gas, Pop Dino, standard power. Free na yan sa package para may magamit na kayo pagdating ng item, pagdating ng unit, may magagamit na kayo. Okay, so yan, Boss Julius, yan yung makukuha mo. Okay, yung gas, yung BBs. Meron pa siyang extra. And then, this is 30 rounder, no? 30 rounder green gas magazine. Lagyan lang natin ng gas. Ganito lang. Ayan. Then, diin. Okay. So, okay na po yan. Ganyan lang. Okay. So, lagyan lang natin ng BBs for testing. For testing lang naman, lagyan lang natin ng konti. Okay. Boss Julius ng Cebu. Ayan. So, lagyan ko lang ng 7. Kasi testing lang naman. Okay? So, ayan, Boss Julius ng Cebu, boss. Testing natin yung inyong unit. Ayan. KPO6 by KG Works. Okay, napakagandang unit. Okay, Boss Julius ng Cebu. Okay, ano pa inaantay natin? So, testing natin, boss, na. Testing ko lang yung ating target, ano? Okay? So, bago yan, papakita ko muna sa inyo pala kung gaano kaganda yan. No? So, made in Taiwan. Oh, ganda. Wow. Yan, may markings pa, 45 ACP. Okay, boss. So, ngayon, magte-test fire tayo, ano? May gas na rin yan, may BBs. Okay, so magte-test fire tayo. Okay, boss. Julius Ibanez, test fire of your KP06 KG Works. High kappa, full metal. Fiber optic sight. Napakaganda ng unit mo, bossing. Okay, so test fire. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Firing. Ayan, bossing. So, naubos na yung bala. So, nag-open slide na siya, no? So, ganyan po magiging itsura, boss, pag wala ng bala, no? Release the magazine lang. And then, press down the slide, stop, slide, release. Ito po. Press ko lang pababa. Ayan, para bumalik yung slide to original position. Okay, and then, hammer down. Okay, yun lamang po, Boss Julius Ibanez. Thank you, bossing, sa tiwala at salamat. Dahil kayo ay nag-order sa amin sa 5th generation hobby shop. So, ayan, boss, yung inyong KP06. Yan, if may question pa, boss, mag-message lamang sa aming page. Okay, thank you, boss, and have a nice day. So, papak na namin to for shipping. Okay? Salamat, bossing. Update na lang po. Thank you.